So hey guys, good morning. So what is happening today? Today is the first ever open chess tournament here in our community. So this is the first time. Our target player is 60, but we have 40. We have 50 plus participant for today, and hopefully this will be not the first time. Congrats to all winners. Birthday. Today's birthday, but working and assisting for the community. And hopefully this will not be the first time. There will be next. So most of our homeowners are requesting us to do another. So this is the request. My youngest son is also one of the one wearing orange. The youngest son was also one of the participants. His first time to join on the tournament. And in a big tournament. And that is
ano ba niyo, ma'am? Mamalay.
the parents. And my members. Ayan, rest time. Marinche. Uy, ang ganda natin. Oh.
Hola, Tinola, Caldero, Cacerola, Tinola.
Tinola. I'm not wearing my uniform because today is my birthday.
Because the day is yours.
The day is mine. Si admin busy. Kunan mo nga ako. Dito ka lang.
Kailan ba yun?
Meron pa daw gusto. Meron.
Meron pa?
Hindi. Hindi. May laban tayo. Kuya, nanalo ka? Pero may laban pa daw.
Swiss ah.
Ha?
Swiss.
Swiss?
Swiss. Swiss. Tapos ka manalo? Pero pa rin yata. Round 2.
They're still around to my youngest son. My youngest. Guys, so these are the participants. Yeah, hello. Ayan, thank you po sa pag-support sa aming first ever chess tournament. Ayan, sana sa susunod po ulit masundan.
Uhaw na uhaw sa mga
Pa-tournament.
malapit ng division week.
Practice din yan. Ano? Thank you po. Ina-upload ko to sa Facebook saka sa YouTube.